Hey!
Didn't see you there.
We're the mitochondria, and we're the powerhouse of this cell.
You may be wondering, what qualifies mitochondria to be this cellular president? And we're gonna tell you. You know cellular respiration? That thing that's responsible for powering the whole cell? Yeah, we do that.
Little fact about cellular respiration, we extract energy from sugars, fats, and other cellular fuels to produce ATP.
ATP! That's why we're the best. The mitochondria supports most eukaryotic cells, such as plants, animals, fungi, and most unicellular eukaryotes.
How inclusive! Mitochondria here. As the powerhouse of the cell, we're always active, moving while producing ATP for the cell, unlike those other organelles that are static, stationary. Talking about you, vacuole.
Now you may be thinking that the nucleus or the endoplasmic reticulum are much more qualified for the position, but let me assure you, without us, they wouldn't even be here. And plus, there's not just one of us, there are hundreds of us in every cell. That's right, hundreds. How many nucleuses are there in a cell? There's only one. You know how many mitochondria there are? Hundreds.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Now you got the mitochondria, right? We're the powerhouse of the cell. I mean, who else are you gonna vote for? The lysosomes? The garbage men of the cell? Or, you know, the Golgi apparatus? The post office? You want the post office to run your cell? You want the post office to be your president? No. You want the powerhouse of the cell. Not even the nucleus, the really smart one that everyone thinks is gonna be the president. What a nerd. You want the powerhouse of the cell. You want the mitochondria for president.
Now the chloroplasts, they only produce energy for plants. Why? 2 words. Plant supremacist. Now that's just selfish. On the other hand, the mitochondria is
inclusive!
That's right.
We now return to your regular programming.
Like other organelles, we have a membrane,
But not just one.
but 2 membranes.
One of these membranes, called the outer membrane, is smooth and composed of equal amounts of phospholipids and proteins. It's also selectively permeable, which means that nutrient compounds, ions, and also ATP can pass through it.
The inner membrane, also known as the mitochondrial matrix, is folded many times over. Within these folds, enzymes are stored to speed up cellular respiration. Also, this membrane is only permeable to oxygen, ATP, and other metabolites.
Us mitochondria, we're problem solvers. If the cell needs more energy, you know what we do? We grow larger. And after that, we divide. And we have even more mitochondria.
Another one.
That's right. And you know what we do? We can create more energy. And when we need more energy, we divide again and again. We're problem solvers.
Vote for the mitochondria.
Did you know
That we have our own DNA.
Each human cell contains hundreds of us.
Hundreds of us?
Hundreds of us! And thousands of copies of the mitochondrial genome, mtDNA.
Did you say
Thousands of copies?
Yes, thousands of copies!
Wow!
Wow!
mtDNA is essential for mitochondria's primary function of protein synthesis. And that's important.
Yeah, it is.
Now let's review why you should vote for us, the powerhouse of the cell.
Reason number 1. Through cellular respiration, we make ATP.
ATP!
Reason number 2. We are found in nearly all eukaryotic cells, and there are hundreds of us. We have the numbers to get the job done.
Reason number 3. We secure and regulate our waste and products through 2 membranes. Not 1,
but two membranes.
And finally, we're very proactive. We're always moving, and when needed, we'll reproduce to create even more energy. So now you know who's most qualified for the presidency.
Vote for us, the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell.
Action.
Did you know?
That we have our own DNA.
Each human cell contains hundreds of us.
Hundreds of us?
Hundreds of us.
Why
Why
did
are
you
you laughing? You say you're ready every time.
It wasn't. Jake's the one that needs to leave.
Don't look at me.
Okay, I won't look at you.
Action.
Did you? Come on.
Why did you laugh?
Ashley didn't do anything. She was like, did you? She was like, no. Come on, Ash.
It's almost 8. We need to get this.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna this last take forever. Alright.
Go.
Did
you shut up?
I wasn't ready.
Action.
Did you know
that we have our own DNA?
each human cell contains hundreds of us?
Hundreds of us?
Hundreds of us.
And action.
And then like, what?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
That's crazy. Oh,
Hey,
Didn't see that. Why? Ashley. Action.
then I was like, no, I don't want to do that. That's dumb. Oh,
hey,
Didn't see you there.
we're the mitochondria.
And we're the power. You guys not going? You didn't say action. I said 1, 2, 3, go. I've been doing.
We're not gonna look at you. Just
derp 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 derp